Hello, and welcome to this edition of my post-move self-assessment series of 2022. On this occasion, I have one of my Master Lock number 3s. This particular one, if I remember, because it's one of the 3 that are actually distinctive. The other being a red-banded one, and the third having a longer shackle than the rest. May actually be consistently the simplest for me of the number 3s to pick open. At least it was prior to my move. Oh. And still is, so I suspect I'll be doing another Master Lock number 3 video in this self-assessment series. But until then, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.